Genetic characteristics and improvement strategies of Awasi and Asaf sheep farming in Palestine. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The genetic improvement of Awasi and Asaf sheep farming in Palestine is critical for enhancing agricultural productivity and promoting economic resilience and sustainability. As agriculture plays a significant role in Palestinian livelihoods. This study reviewed the genetic characteristics and improvement strategies associated with these two primary sheep breeds, the indigenous Awasi and the recently improved Asaf. The Awasi sheep breed is predominantly employed for the production of meat, milk, and wool, standing as the most prevalent breed in Palestine and being common across many Middle Eastern countries. In contrast, the Asaf sheep blends the adaptability and resilience of the Awasi with the superior milk production traits of the East Frisian. Understanding genetic parameters related to milk production traits is essential for effectively improving these breeds. In this context, the economic and cultural significance of sheep farming in the West Bank has increasingly gained recognition, given its critical role in supporting local livelihoods and contributing to regional food security. Early growth parameters, such as birth weight, weaning weight, pre-weaning daily gain, and the Kleber ratio, are vital indicators of sheep productivity and efficiency. Additionally, understanding the genetic basis of susceptibility is essential for developing strategies aimed at mitigating the prevalence and transmission of diseases. Ultimately, the genetic enhancement of Awasi and Asaf sheep is vital for enhancing agricultural productivity and economic sustainability in the region. Introduction. Palestine's climate is hot and semi-arid, with significant differences in rainfall across the region. The northern West Bank gets around 700 millimeters of rainfall annually, while the southern parts receive much less, only 80 to 100 millimeters. The Gaza Strip experiences rainfall ranging from 200 millimeters in the south to 400 millimeters in the north. These varying conditions, with warm temperatures and dry spells, impact local farming, especially sheep farming. The Awasi and Asaf sheep breeds, known for their hardiness, are well suited to this climate. They are valued for their fertility, milk production, and ability to thrive in such challenging environments. However, despite the potential benefits of improving sheep genetics to enhance growth, milk yield, and disease resistance, local studies on these practices in Palestine are limited. The success of genetic improvements also depends on addressing social and economic challenges, such as land ownership issues, access to veterinary care, and rising feed costs. Overcoming these obstacles would help farmers adopt better farming techniques, leading to improved livestock management, better livelihoods, and a more sustainable agricultural future for the region. Conclusion. Improving the genetics of Awasi and Asaf sheep in Palestine is key to boosting farming productivity and economic stability. These breeds are well adapted to the region's dry climate, providing high fertility and milk production. However, challenges like limited finances, poor access to veterinary care, and environmental stress can limit their potential. Overcoming these issues with better breeding programs, advanced genetic techniques, and improved farm management practices can increase productivity, support farmers' livelihoods, and enhance food security in the region. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.